Hey everyone, welcome back to Mindfree. Today, I'm sharing something really important: how to recover from a mental breakdown and come back stronger. I've been through it, and I've learned firsthand what it takes to bounce back. In today's video, I'll walk you through 5 key steps that helped me rise again. Let's dive in. 1. Acknowledge and accept it. The first step is acknowledging where you're at. Don't fight the reality of your breakdown, accept it. I know how hard it can be to admit when things are falling apart, but once you do, the healing process can truly begin. Acceptance frees up the energy you need to move forward. 2. Reconnect with yourself. Next, you need to reconnect with yourself. Spend time alone, journal, meditate, whatever helps you rediscover who you are beneath the stress. When I went through my own breakdown, I found it powerful to re-establish that personal connection. You'll start to regain clarity on your values and what matters most. 3. Build a support system. Third, build a support system. You are not alone in this. Lean on your friends, family, or a professional therapist. During my tough times, I found that having people to talk to, who genuinely cared, helped me make sense of things. Surrounding yourself with the right people is a critical step in your recovery. 4. Create a comeback plan. Now, it's time to create a comeback plan. You've acknowledged the breakdown, reconnected with yourself, and have support. Now it's time to move forward. Start by setting small, achievable goals. Don't overwhelm yourself with big plans. Focus on growth and improvement, little by little, and watch how your confidence rebuilds over time. 5. Practice patience and self-compassion. Finally, the 5th step is to practice patience and self-compassion. This step is so crucial because healing takes time. You might hit setbacks, but that's okay. I had to learn to be kind to myself, understanding that progress isn't always linear. Celebrate your small victories and don't be hard on yourself if things don't go perfectly. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. So, there you have it: acknowledge and accept, reconnect with yourself, build your support system, create a comeback plan, and practice patience and self-compassion. These steps have helped me recover and come back stronger than ever, and I know they can help you too. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Remember, your comeback is within reach, and you are stronger than you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.